Before I go to the other political party in the opposition, I'm tempted to ask you because we are talking about तुम्ही धिरयांची बिल घाले असे म्हणतात की वेन्झी सामकी बरें उलयता सामको लॉजिकल उलयता बट जेन्ना धिरयां सारको विशय येता विच इज ऑल्सो इन द व्हेरी ग्रे एरिया ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्युशनॅलिटी अँड लॉ यू वॉन्ट टू पेंडर टू युअर वोट बँक आणि म्हणून तू हे गजाली घेऊन मुखार येता सो वेन्झी ऑल्सो डज द सेम थिंग दॅट आवर ट्रेडिशनल पॉलिटिशियन्स हॅव बीन डुईंग.
नंबर वन प्रॉब्लम आम आदमी पार्टीचो बाणाले कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी जो वोट बँक आय एम क्लियरिंग दॅट it is a vote bank of a educated, streamlined youth who has actually voted and supported me and pulled out. When you see voted in the sense, everybody has voted.
Yes.
So the statement that I want to cater to this vote bank is not the right, which I would, fail to take it from you. Now, when it comes to the bill, I look at that bill as a source of revenue. जेन्ना जोरी तरी तूं एक भुरग्याक तें सायट वेबसायट या ॲप ओपन करनाक म्हणटा the 100% tendency is that is going to happen. The moment you leave the child away from there, he is going to go and see why your parents have said.
धिरयो लिगल केल्या धिरयो कमी जातल्यो
ना कमी जावपाचो प्रश्न जायना. The problem here is animal cruelty. Cruelty to animal.
Yes.
Cruelty to animal. If we come in a legal framework and try to make measures to mitigate and bring down the risk through a risk assessment, which I have done. I have done a risk assessment, and my bill which was presented is not like the 2009 bill. First of all, I was not aware that there was a bill presented, and I have not read that bill. But my bill which we had presented was
that was also a private members bill
and was drafted by the legal experts of Goa state, retired law experts, legal experts who have worked for the state of Goa. Teni Tamil Nadu's जे bill आशिल्ले ते bill which was also when there is a court this in 1996 जो issue जाल्लो आणि कोर्टाचे जे order आशिल्ली on that order they also came up with a bill and based on that bill Goa's legal expertise have drafted the bill which I have presented for Goa. So put it on the table and tell me how does it differ when the court has given an order against that same order in Tamil Nadu they are coming up with a bill where they are talking about an amendment to the Tamil Nadu Cruelty Act bill.
But and is this not vote bank politics? Because of the constituency you are coming from, you are putting this. No, if you are elected from maybe Kepe or if you are elected from maybe Bicholiam, Venzi would not have put this bill.
I would still put this bill because this bill is been proposed and introduced to make Diryo as a sport of Goa. With a business plan. When I say business plan, I'm talking about numbers.
आमदार किंवा जर दिवचलचो आमदार आशिल्लो जाल्यार हे बिल प्रेझेंट करता आशिल्लो.
In fact, the business plan which I would like to present, if anybody would want, it is showing Diryos to happen in all 40 constituencies on a Friday and Saturday. And with this module, if 4 Diryos are held in each constituency, then we can generate a revenue of 500 crores Pramod for a year. Which is going to be through GST.
This is a revenue generation bill.
Revenue generation.
This is not vote bank generation bill.
This is not vote. It has got multiple effects. One is you're generating revenue to direct 2,000 to 3,000 followers that actually go and watch this match of Diryo. You are going to add on more value because there is going to be tourist influx. There are no children going and watching the Diryo. When you're going to have a safe environment where you're able to watch this sport, families would love to go.
You're saying this is a 500 crore industry.
500 crores per year revenue earning generation business plan.
Okay.